Oh. Oh. You gotta get on your hand. This is so easy last time. Okay, he's gonna get up. Oh. Okay, let's see here. How did we do this last time, honey? It seemed to be so easy.
You just fish them out.
Hurt his wings. I might have to. Wow.
They don't want to get out of it.
I know. Okay, here's one. Okay, ready? Okay. Oh, man, he's ready. Okay, ready? Okay, hold him, hold him. Ready? Ready? Oh, yay! He just flew away. Good job. Okay, we have one. Oh, no, it's okay. Well, there's another one, Getty. There is another one in here. Oh, my jeez. Getty, it's Easter. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Don't worry. Okay, here, look. Look, 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 look. I found another one. Or do you want to let him go?
No.
You want to? Okay, ready? Okay, you gotta say bye-bye. Ready? There he goes. Oh, well done. That's a big job. Oh, dear. That was a really big job, Getty. Well done, honey. He's just hanging out. He's like, thanks, Getty. Thank you. You did such a good job. Oh. There he's like flapping his wings and he's getting ready. He's getting ready to take off, and you did that.
He's just going to hang out there and wait for you to come out next time.
You did a good job. Good job. Okay. Okay. You okay now? Yeah. It's okay. You did a great job. Good job, Goose. Good job.